There are a total of 242 days left before I have to leave this country. That may seem like a lot, but if you close your eyes and take a moment to think about it, it's really not. That's less than a year. I've started to wake up before my alarm in the morning, not wanting to risk wasting another second. It's like my potential is being compromised by the never-ending, persistent progress of existence. Do you ever feel like that? Like you're running out of time? Like there is this clock in the back of your mind prompting you to stress about the events that are yet to occur, even more than you were before? I've never truly realized how quickly the days disappear until now. Each passing day is a day closer to the end. The future is just so uncertain. But life keeps moving forward anyway. Now you may wonder why I have to leave and where I'm gonna go. But I don't have time to explain. I have to keep going. Some nights, I can't even sleep. The daunting question keeps me awake. How do you make the most of the time that you have left in the place you're finding yourself at right now? Before you know it, you'll be gone.